afternoon. I'm Bruce Walter with Unilock Midwest. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about U-Cara wall installations on a radius, on a curve. We're doing a display today with the material. One of the things that obviously I love about U-Cara is here on this installation we've established a lock bond, meaning we use the fascia panel to connect two courses of backers. But one thing I want to point out here is that you're not going to have that opportunity to do that. You have to have a standard backer fascia panel installation like you'll see here. All right. One thing that I like, I'm not spending a lot of time cutting, so I'm not too concerned oftentimes with the radius and what that might be. I'm not having to cut full panel. I'm only cutting a small amount off on the backside on the fascia panel. In fact, sometimes on a softer radius you may even choose not to, and I've laid these two fascia panels up to expose perhaps a 1/4 inch joint. Obviously, if it's an inside curve, I'll rotate that material around, and again, no cutting. So that's a real cost saver there when it comes to minimize labor time and labor investment, especially when it comes to cutting. You are going to notice though that we've chipped off all of the ribs across the center of the surface. One technique that we'll do is we'll chisel that off, and I'll lay these two face to face. I'll do a grinding technique on that material, all right, to make sure that we have no high points. All right, I'm going to lay up a few here real quickly with you and show you how easy it is. Simple glue bead on both back side as well as front side. All right. Now the backer, I'm going to center this seam on the backer with that joint line here on that cross joint. These two are going to connect. I'm going to be inside of my fascia panel slightly here and outside over there. All right. Now I'm ready for my fascia panel installation. I've already got one with the back cut, and that's going to go on. I do oftentimes though want to connect all of these together. Here I'll drop a bead of glue across the center to connect those three components together. The weight of this is going to be a 76-pound item, 23 each here, and then a 21.5-pound fascia panel on pitched. That's a simple installation. I can adjust this either in or out as I see necessary. Next one is going to go the same thing. Backer unit lined up on that center joint. In slightly, out slightly, fascia panel on. I would glue that up normally, but there it is. So this goes relatively quickly for a radius wall. No matter what the radius might be, you can see a smooth transition on that